Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're taking a close look at the Shop-Vac 3-in-1 Cordless Spot Cleaner. This compact handheld cleaner combines spray, rolling brush, and suction cleaning all in one handy tool. Whether you're tackling pet messes, car seats, or stubborn stains on fabric, this device promises to make the job quicker and more efficient. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Shop-Vac 3-in-1 Spot Cleaner features a motorized rolling brush, a spray mechanism that delivers water at a rate of 3 to 5 milliliters per second, and powerful suction to extract debris from fabric. It's designed for spot cleaning, offering a solution for things like upholstery, car interiors, and smaller messes around the house. What sets it apart is the seamless integration of these three functions. You don't need to switch tools or make multiple passes. It's perfect for quick cleanups when you need something versatile without the hassle. Let's talk about the suction power. Equipped with a motor that provides up to 5.5 kilopant of vacuum pressure, this cleaner does an impressive job of lifting embedded dirt, pet hair, and spills. In practical terms, this means it tackles stains and messes deep within fabric fibers, making it ideal for soft surfaces like couches and car seats. The suction performance is strong enough to remove debris without leaving residue behind, which is crucial for ensuring a clean, fresh surface after use. One of the highlights of the Shop-Vac cleaner is its lightweight design. Weighing in at just 3.5 pounds, it's easy to carry around, especially for those harder to reach areas like stairs or under furniture. It's compact too, measuring only 15.5 by 4.25 by 7.25 inches, making it ideal for quick cleanups or even taking it with you on the go. No more lugging around a bulky vacuum for smaller messes. It's cordless, which gives you the freedom to clean without being tethered to a wall outlet. However, the battery life is a bit on the shorter side at 16 minutes, so you'll want to plan your cleaning accordingly. For smaller jobs, though, that runtime is usually more than enough. Another feature worth noting is the dual tank system. The cleaner has two 200-milliliter water tanks that keep clean and dirty water separate, providing a total capacity of 400 milliliters. This is particularly handy as it minimizes the need for constant refills, letting you focus more on cleaning and less on maintenance. Both tanks are detachable, making them easy to refill and clean after use. This ensures that you won't be mixing dirty water with the clean water, maintaining a hygienic cleaning process throughout your tasks. For convenience, the Shop-Vac cleaner uses a USB-C charging port, meaning you can charge it from pretty much anywhere, whether it's at home, in the office, or even on the go. You won't need to hunt for a specific adapter, just use any standard 5 volts 2-amp adapter for charging. While the charging port is flexible, one downside is that the charging time can be a bit lengthy, so be prepared to wait before your next cleaning session. In terms of usability, the Shop-Vac cleaner does an excellent job with maneuverability. The handle is ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods, even if you're tackling larger messes or working in tight spaces. The rolling brush works well to agitate dirt and debris, ensuring that stains come up quicker than they would with a traditional vacuum. However, the motorized brush does require regular maintenance. Pet hair can get tangled and you'll need to clean it out to maintain its performance. Now, no product is perfect, so let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 3-in-1 cleaning action is a huge time saver. The suction is strong, the brush is effective, and the spray mechanism helps to break down stubborn stains without needing a lot of effort. It's also incredibly convenient for on-the-go cleaning, thanks to the cordless design and USB-C charging. The dual water tank system is a nice touch too, keeping everything neat and hygienic. On the downside, the 16-minute battery life might be limiting for some users, especially if you're planning to clean larger areas. If you're cleaning up a bunch of messes in a single go, the short runtime could interrupt your cleaning flow. Additionally, while it's lightweight, the 5.5 kPa suction power might not be sufficient for heavy-duty messes on dense fabrics or carpets. It excels in quick cleanups, but may struggle with more embedded dirt in thicker upholstery. Also, you'll need to clean the motorized brush regularly, especially if you have pets, as hair tends to get tangled easily. When it comes to value for money, the Shop-Vac 3-in-1 Cordless Spot Cleaner offers a lot for its price, particularly if you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use cleaner for light to medium messes. Its 3-in-1 design, combined with solid suction power, makes it a versatile tool that works well on various surfaces, including sofas, car seats, and upholstery. However, it's not a substitute for a full-sized vacuum, so if you need something for large spaces or heavy-duty cleaning, this might not be the best fit. Let's quickly compare it with a couple of other options in the same price range. If you're looking for something with similar capabilities, but perhaps better suction power or longer battery life, you might also want to check out other handheld spot cleaners or cordless vacuums from brands like Black Decker or Dyson. These often offer more powerful suction or extended battery life, but they also tend to be a bit bulkier and may come at a higher price. As far as build quality goes, the Shop-Vac cleaner feels solid for its size, with a durable plastic construction that doesn't feel flimsy. The dual tanks are sturdy and easy to remove and clean, and the motorized brush feels strong enough for everyday tasks. Over time, if maintained well, it should last a good while. But as with any handheld vacuum, you'll want to stay on top of cleaning the brush and emptying the tanks to maintain peak performance. In terms of customer support, Shop-Vac has a decent reputation for offering helpful service. Though we haven't had direct interactions, many customers report a good experience when reaching out with questions or concerns. In conclusion, the Shop-Vac 3-in-1 Cordless Spot Cleaner is a great choice for those looking for a lightweight, portable cleaning solution for upholstery, car interiors, and other fabric surfaces. While the battery life and suction power might not make it suitable for larger homes or deep carpet cleaning, it excels in quick and efficient cleanups. If you're dealing with pet messes or everyday stains, this could be a real game changer for your cleaning routine. Just make sure it aligns with your specific needs, especially if you're after a vacuum with longer runtime or higher suction power for more demanding tasks. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick up the Shop-Vac 3-in-1 Cordless Spot Cleaner, you'll find the link in the comments box below. Let me know if you have any questions or share your experiences with this vacuum if you've already tried it. Goodbye till next time, and remember, it's not just about cleaning, it's about cleaning smarter.